Everyone, I welcome you all to the Google Cloud Arcade 2024. The registrations of the program are already open, so I am just going to guide you through how you actually register into this program. How do you fill the form? How do you create a Cloud Skill Boost profile? You'll know everything in this video. So the registration form link, the referral code is already provided into the group. If you are someone who has joined the group very recently, I request you to check the description of the group. You'll find many resources over there, and also the registration form link and the referral code in the description of the group as well. So, the first thing before you start filling the Google form is that you make a Cloud Skill Boost profile using an email ID. So, that is one important thing that you should do before you enroll using the form link. So, let's go. So the first step to make a Cloud Skill Boost profile is to just type Cloud Skill Boost. Okay, so this is the website where you can create your profile. Okay, so now I'm just going to click on join. Then I am going to sign in with an account. Might take some time. Okay, now you choose an account. Make sure you're using the same account throughout the program. Okay, you have to use this particular email ID everywhere, which is anything which is related to Google Cloud program. You're going to use the same ID. Then you click on continue. You accept the terms of service, and voila, your profile is created. Now one important thing that you have to do is click on profile right over here, and then you have to make this profile public, because if you don't make it public you won't be receiving the link. Okay, when you make it public, now this is your link to the Google Cloud Skill Boost profile. Okay, so whenever you want to access your profile, this is the link that you are going to use. This is the link that you will be sharing after you earn game badges and skill badges. All of the badges will be reflected on this particular profile. So the important part is done. Now we are going to register using the Google form link. So I am going to use the Google form link. I'm going to copy it and paste it in my browser, and yeah. Okay, so this is what the form link looks like. You have to use the same email ID that you used while creating the Cloud Skill Boost profile. So I'm going to type in the email. Check if it is the same account. Sometimes the account here might be different, so you will have to switch with the account with which you made the Google Cloud Scale Boost profile. So this is the account that I'm using, and the same email ID I have typed over here. Just keep checking if it is correct or not. Then next. Okay, then you come on the terms and condition page. You just have to accept it. If you want to read it, go on and read everything and choose what you want to do, but click on yes. Then you have to again type in the email ID. There's a reason why Google keeps asking you it again and again, because this is very important. This is an identifier for you as a user and as a participant in the program. So again, keep checking if it is correct or not. Yeah, it is correct. Type in your full name, select your gender, choose the country, and select what identifies you the best. I am a student, so I'm going to click on student. Now you have to put in the referral code. The referral code is shared on the group. Okay, use the same referral code that is given here. I'm just going to simply copy and paste this referral code. Choose your year of graduation. If you are someone who has already graduated, you can just click on graduated. Now you have to select, do you have an account on Google Cloud Skill Boost? If you are already on this step, and if you haven't made your Google Cloud Skill Boost account, I request you to go and make your Google Cloud Skill Boost account first and then come back to the form. And if you already have an account, you select yes, I already have an account. If you are someone who already have an account and have also completed a few batches, which means if you have enrolled in the program last year and you already have few batches on your profile, then you select the second option. Now the profile which I made right now doesn't have any batches, so I'm going to select the first option. Click on next. Okay, now this is the important part. The very important part is that you have to type in this whole link of your Cloud Skill Boost profile, and you have to type it over here. It is strictly given that you do not have to copy paste it, or else your application will be rejected. So make sure you type this profile link. Okay, so the first part of the profile link, it's kind of same. The profile ID is what will change for everyone, so I'm just going to type in the first part. Oh, sorry, I started typing the profile ID. The profile ID is something that you will see here. So this is your profile ID. So now I'm going to type the profile ID. So if I do okay, so I have typed in the profile ID and the profile link. So what I am going to do to check if it is correct or not is I am going to simply copy paste the thing which I just typed. I'm just going to copy this and paste it in the browser to see if it is redirecting me to the correct profile. So now I am redirected to my profile, which means that the link is correct. I have typed it correctly. So make sure you check that for yourself as well, because you're typing it manually, so you might lose or skip some letters. So make sure you're typing it properly and you also get it checked. Then we click on next. Then you have to click on I acknowledge, and here is some part which explains what will happen when you submit this form. Now I'm just going to submit this form. Okay, so this is what I see right now. Once you reach this screen, it means that you have successfully filled out the enrollment form. And now what you have to do is you have to check your email and see if you have received a mail from Google. This is a mail from Google Forms. Let me tell you, this is not the confirmation mail. This is simply a mail which tells you that you have filled out the enrollment form. So this mail contains all the choices that you have made in the enrollment form. At the end of the mail, you can see that there are two videos. First one is how to make your Google Cloud Skill Boost profile public, which we have already done while filling the form. And the second one is how to get your 2 months credit pass. So I would suggest that you go and check this video right after you do this, because this is something that is going to be a part of your confirmation mail. So the confirmation mail that you will receive will have the access code to redeem your 2 month credit pass. And without your 2 month credit pass, you won't be able to solve the labs and get the points. So make sure after you're done with this, you see this video. Now the confirmation mail can come into the spam folder, so keep an eye on your spam folder, and it might take around 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so the main part of the program is done. So let's move on to some FAQs. These are the most frequently asked questions on the chat and on the group. The first one being, should I create a new profile if I have enrolled in the program last year? So, first of all, if you are someone who has not completed a lot of skill batches last year, if you are someone who has not completed most of the skill batches from the catalog and you still have a lot of skill batches left, then I suggest you continue with the same profile so that you can keep adding new skill batches on the same profile, right? So basically, if you do not create a new account and you earn new skill batches, you will have a very nice good looking cloud skill boost profile, and you'll have many skill batches over there which were completed from last year and also this year. But make sure only the skill batches which you earn after 22nd of July are going to be counted for your arcade points, right? The skill batches which you have earned before are not going to contribute on towards your arcade points. So make sure the skill batches that you earn only after 22nd are the ones that will be considered. And the second scenario being, if you are someone who has completed almost all of the skill batches from the catalog, but you wish to revise the labs, or you wish to join this program for the sake of the goodies and get earn points and get the goodies for this year as well, then I request that you make a new profile and then you solve all the labs again. Okay, this is only if you have completed almost all the skill batches from the last year. I hope that it's clear now. The second is the mail I received after filling the form my confirmation mail? As in the mail which we just check, is it the confirmation mail? So no, it is not the confirmation mail. It is the mail which says that you have successfully filled the form. The confirmation mail will take around 24 hours to 48 hours to arrive, and you have to keep an eye in on your spam and junk folders, and then you will receive the confirmation mail. What will the confirmation mail consist of? The confirmation mail will have an access code, which you have to paste somewhere in the lab so that you receive the 2-month credit pass. Now, what is the 2-month credit pass? The 2-month credit pass is something which you are going to use while solving the labs. If you don't have the credit pass, if you haven't redeemed the credit pass, you won't be able to solve the labs. And even if you try to solve them, you can see that you have to use some credits or buy the credits. So basically, without buying, you don't have to buy the credits at all. Google will send you the credits in the confirmation mail, and the confirmation mail will have all the steps that you will need to redeem this credits. The third is, what if I already have credits or subscription to the free trial to my Google Cloud account? Okay, so if the Google Cloud account which you are using already have some credits, or if you are on the free trial or the subscription for Google Cloud, all you have to do is you have to redeem the credits from your confirmation mail that you will receive. And after redeeming the free credits, you have to perform the labs, but make sure you are performing the labs by the credits which you just redeemed from the confirmation mail. Okay, it won't be a problem if you already have some credits. It won't be a problem if you already are on the free trial of the Google Cloud account. Okay, so important thing to remember is that you have to redeem the credits, the free credits from the confirmation mail, and then start solving the labs. Don't start solving the labs right away. The fourth is, should I start doing the labs right after I fill the form? Again, I am telling you, you do not start doing the labs after you fill the form. You have to wait for the confirmation mail. You have to follow each and every step from the confirmation mail, and after redeeming the credits, you will be seeing the credits you have on your profile, on your cloud skill profile. So you have to check if you have received them, and only after receiving the credits is when you start doing the labs. And the labs that you solve after redeeming your credits are the ones which will be reflected on your reflected towards your arcade points. The fifth question is, can I use my college email ID? So I have seen people who have used their college email ID, and using that email they have also created their cloud skill boost profile. But what I will suggest is that this is a Google Cloud program. It is a Google program essentially. So I request, to be safe, you use your Gmail account IDs, because that will be more better and more safe. Because going forward in the program, I don't want you guys to be in a problem for using your college email ID, and everyone has a Gmail ID. I hope everyone does. So I request that you use your Google email ID only while registering. Can I copy paste? The next question is, can I copy paste my form link? Sorry, can I copy paste my profile link in the form? So as I said, the form says that you do not copy paste your profile link. So you have to literally manually type it in, and you have to check it if it is the right one. So I told you a method. After typing, you have to copy that link, paste it in the browser, and see if it is correct, and see if it is redirecting you to the same Google Cloud Skill profile. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, make sure you message the facilitators. That is me. My name is Sia, by the way, and Prathamesh personally. We are going to keep you updated through everything. After most of the people receive the confirmation mail, I am also going to make a video on how you redeem the 2-month free credit pass. So just make sure you keep an eye on the group and all the things that we are posting. And I hope you have a very happy cloud journey. I hope you all learn a lot through this program, and I hope we can help you at all times. Thank you so much.